Xie Filter challenge. What is this PBL all about? This PBL was all about making a water filter that successfully processes water, making it with the intent to mimic MOXIE, a Mars project that aims to filter oxygen. What did I use a scientific method for? Well, before we started this project, we had to find which order we wanted to put the materials in, which was from little space to big space, and we had to do a scientific hypothesis which is correct. My hypothesis was that it was big from small, but after doing an experiment with cardboard boxes, I found that I was wrong. So this was what led us to have the best results, knowing that this would give us more insight into the project. Now, the bigger project takeaway here is about porosity and permeability. Now, porosity is the space between things such as rocks and sand, and you can find this in things like soil and rocks, whatever I said. And the bigger the porosity, the better. You can see here that porosity allows water to move through things like rocks and soil, and permeability is the rapidness and the ability for the water or whatever it is to pass through the rocks and the things, meaning that the higher your porosity is, as you can see these rocks here, the higher your permeability is, meaning that the quicker your water will get through. Now, what did my filter achieve? Well, for my filter, I use sand, I use rice, I use leaves, sock, and cotton in exactly that order. And for my filter, I would say that it was a success. I had a water rating of an A, and I had a duration of 7 minutes. It was a very slow project, but I think that this was due to my mishandling of the materials. However, I would say that this project was a success, and that it was a very informative project about porosity and permeability, a one that was very fun to see and to achieve.